Hello and welcome to another episode of Historically Marked. I am on Route 66 in California, seemingly out in the middle of nowhere. I know it's a little getting dark, but many different reasons why I'm here later than normal. But the sun's about to set, so I'm going to go ahead and hurry up and do this video, talk more about the history of Roy's Cafe and Motel. Here we go. And here is another Route 66 roadside attraction. Sign. This is, I don't think this was one of the original Hampton Hotels ones. It says here, founded in 1858, Amboy provided a vital rest stop for weary, sun-drenched travelers seeking a better life in California. Roy Irvin and Velma Crowell both lived here, and they opened a service station with a repair garage in 1938. With that, they had a tow truck or a wreck truck to haul broken down cars here. In 1945, Buster Barris, who worked here, married Roy's daughter. Both of them opened a cafe next to the station. So when Interstate 40 was open for traffic nearby here in 1973, business took a turn for the worse. Buster would pass away in 1999. So Okura, I'm sorry, forgive me if I'm pronouncing this wrong, Okura. Now, he still presently owns this property as well as many other ones here in Amboy. But he owns the Juan Pollo restaurant chain, which I believe is mostly in Southern California. And now I'm going to talk about that sign up ahead. Here we go. So the town of Amboy, which is pretty much close to a ghost town, this was founded in 1858. Over there is the post office. This famous sign you're looking at right now goes back to 1959, so about 101 years later. This has been seen in many commercials, maybe in movies and TV shows too, but surely you've seen it somewhere. I know your name's not Shirley, I know. But still, I mean, it's one of the best photo opportunities here on Route 66. Definitely a cool thing, and I don't know if it lights up at night. I'm sure it would probably start lighting up by now because it's starting to get dark. I do not know if that welcome center is open, by the way. It's not right now, but I don't know about during the day. And here is a marker nearby. Trails and Rails to the Mojave Desert. It's very lengthy, but I'll try to filter out, kind of cut to the chase. America has always been a nation in motion. West to the Mississippi after the Revolution, west to the Continental Divide following the Louisiana Purchase, west again to the Pacific Coast after the war with Mexico. Like many of today's railroads, the rail route through this part of the Mojave Desert has its roots on the nation's old pack and wagon roads. The first trails followed paths used for centuries by Native Americans. Now we're going to go towards like the wagon roads and all that. So the last third of the 19th century brought the railroad into Southern California. The Atlantic and Pacific built west through Arizona to Needles, while at the same time the Southern Pacific built east through the California Desert to the Colorado River. I mean, there's some more details on it, but all in all, today Amtrak continues its tradition with its Southwest Chief, which makes the run between Los Angeles and Chicago in just over 2 days. Sounds like a pretty quite long time. And that is the sounds of the railroad. That is not Amtrak, it looks more like a cargo. But still, Amtrak does carry traffic over here. And in front of the entrance, there's another historical marker. Amboy and Roy's Cafe. Amboy, settled as early as 1858, became a water stop when the Southern Pacific Railroad laid its tracks to the Cadiz Valley in 1883 to 1884. Then talk about Route 66. Amboy soon saw heavy traffic along the Mother Road. Roy's has served travelers along Route 66 from the beginning. This is very much a gift shop. Got a lot of shirts, and of course a lot of Route 66 souvenirs. And this is not a restaurant, by the way, but they do sell food here, just snacks and some sodies. And what's this? Area 51, alien stuff. Okay, whatever. So yeah, be sure to make this a stop when you're traveling Route 66. All right, so I know it's a little dark now, but she's let me go in the lobby, and we are going to light up the Roy's Motel sign.
There's 3 switches that are hard to see with little lights lines. Go ahead and flip those.
All of them, or?
One of the.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay.
Make sure you look at the sign after each one.
Oh, sure. All right, so here we go. Hang on.
You want to start over?
Oh no, you're fine. All right, I think I got it.
Yep, perfect. I know it's hard to explain.
Oh no, it's cool. Yes, now I officially just lit up the Roy's sign. And thank you so much, by the way.
Oh, you're welcome.
Do you know by any chance when this was restored?
It hasn't been restored yet. Oh, the sign, I apologize. It was relit November 16, 2019.
November 16, 2019. Wow.
It wasn't lit for about almost 30 years. It stayed unlit.
So if you all didn't hear that, it stayed unlit for 30 years. So cool. All right, thanks so much for tuning into this episode of Historically Marked. I'm glad to be here. I wish I would have gotten here sooner during the day, but I kind of cut it too close before the sun set. But it's really cool out in the desert, and words can't describe how great it is out here at this time. So I am Jason in Amboy, California, in front of the Roy's Motel and Cafe sign. Signing off.